Feeling tired, moody, or battling irregular cycles? It's not just you, it's your hormone, which could be out of sync. Today, I'm going to reveal 8 powerful hormone balancing food from straight to your kitchen, plus PCOS friendly meal ideas that taste amazing. Don't miss my grandmother's secret hormone tea at the end of the video. Hey there, welcome back to Likita's Foodie Studio. I'm Likita, and if you are looking for natural ways to support your hormones, manage PCOS, or just feel your best as a woman, you are in the right place. As always, I'm bringing you healthy, delicious recipes, this time focused on hormone balance. Hormones control everything from your mood, energy to your metabolism and reproductive health. When they are out of sync, it can manifest as fatigue, weight gain, irregular cycles, and exacerbate PCOS symptoms. What's the good news? Your kitchen holds powerful ingredients to gently nudge your body back into the equilibrium. So, let's dive into the superfoods that can help you. Let's explore 8 hormone balancing superfoods. Fenugreek seeds mimics estrogen and improves insulin sensitivity. Cinnamon reduces insulin resistance and acts as an anti-inflammatory. Turmeric, which is powerful anti-inflammatory and a liver detoxifier. Flax seeds are rich in lignans, crucial for estrogen balance. Spearmint, which is an Indian pudina, lowers excess androgens, reducing hysteresis. Sesame seeds supports hormone production and provides lignans. Ashwagandha reduces cortisol and supports stress balance. Bitter gourd, that is Karela, improves insulin sensitivity and lowers your blood sugar. Now, let's see PCOS friendly meal plan. Starting with our morning ritual, soak the fenugreek overnight in a water and drink this fenugreek water early in the morning and enjoy a cup of spearmint cinnamon tea. For your breakfast, you can have hormone balancing smoothies, which is made of almond milk, flaxseed, cinnamon, spinach, apple, and ashwagandha. Along with this, you can have methi paratha with Greek yogurt. For a fulfilling lunch, you can have brown rice or quinoa, turmeric dal with veggies, and Karela sabji, that is bitter gourd curry. For the evening snack, soaked almonds and walnuts will be a great option, and roasted chickpeas with turmeric along with green tea with fresh mint will be excellent to have. Finally, ending your day with a delicious dinner, you can have veggie soup with turmeric and ginger, grilled paneer, or a chicken with herb, then saturated spinach with garlic. Along with this, you can also have your bedtime drink of golden turmeric milk with ashwagandha. This meal plan integrates hormone balancing food throughout your day, making healthy eating delicious and easy to prepare. Well, let's look at a quick PCOS friendly recipes. PCOS power salad, which is made of mixed green, cucumber, bell peppers, sesame seeds, ground flax seeds, lemon turmeric, dressings, and grilled paneer cubes. For more PCOS friendly salad, you can follow us on our YouTube Shorts 50 Fantastic Salad series to get how to incorporate more PCOS friendly veggies into an exciting salad. Next, we have methi cinnamon pancakes. Mix oats flour, ground fenugreek, cinnamon, egg, and almond milk together. Cook like a pancake. Top it with berries and nuts for a nutritious start. Next up, we have hormone healing golden milk. Heat 1 cup of almond milk, add half teaspoon of turmeric, pinch of black pepper, half teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of ghee and honey. Whisk them together and sip before your bed. Next, we have air fried Karela chips. Slice the bitter gourd thin, toss with turmeric, salt, and a little oil. Air fry or bake until crispy for a healthy snacks. My grandmother's secret hormone tea is the game changer of today's PCOS recipes and food. This age old recipe from my grandmother is a potent blend for natural hormone support. For this, we require 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 4 to 5 spearmint leaves, half inch of cinnamon, 2 to 3 cardamom pods, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Boil all these ingredients in a 2 cup of water for 10 minutes. Strain it and sip twice daily. This tea is a warm embrace for your body, helping to regulate and smooth your system. For more such recipes, salads, smoothies, and herbal teas, follow us on YouTube Shorts for more exciting recipe creation contents. Along with the food, lifestyle is crucial. Eat regularly, maintain steady blood sugar by eating every 3 to 4 hours. Include protein in every meal to support satiety and hormone health. Incorporate yoga or light exercise into your daily routine. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Drink plenty of water and herbal teas throughout the day. Limit processed sugars, excess caffeine, and skipping meals as much as possible. Consistency is key. Your journey to balance depends on your consistent efforts. Most women begin to notice positive changes quickly with significant improvement over a few months, but mostly better energy and mood within 2 weeks, improved cycles and skin by month within 2 to 3, and major PCOS symptom relief by maximum of 3 to 6 months. Always consult your doctor if you have severe symptoms, underlying health conditions, or allergies. While these food offer gentle support, every body is unique and professional medicine advice is essential for personalized care. Well, we have journeyed through the incredible power of food recipes and lifestyle choice for hormone balance till now. So, which hormone balancing food will you incorporate first? Let me know in the comments below. And also comment your biggest hormone challenge, which I'm going to feature in my next video. And I read every message. So, if you like this video and found it helpful, like, subscribe to our channel Lekita's Foodie Studio, share it with a friend who need a hormone reset. So, I will see you next time for more healing recipes and exciting content.